Hi. Today I want to talk about the Carol's Daughter's two products that I have. I have the Almond Milk Restoring Conditioner and the Hair Milk Refreshing Spray. I don't know if you can see that. But what I want to talk about these things because personally, for my hair type, I can't find any reviews on this product, and I really want to try it, but I was hesitant. That's why I only have the two products. So the first thing I want to talk about is the conditioner, because I wanted to like it so much, but the problem is I have to use a ton. I mean, I've used like this much, and I've only used it about maybe 5 times. First things first, it smells amazing. It smells amazing. Like I want to use it and I want to love it because of the smell, but also so one, you have to use a lot of it. It's pretty thick. I mean, if you can see that, it won't even move down the bottle. It's so thick. But now my hair isn't like the thickest or like the coarsest there is, and it takes me so much. I have to use so much of this, and it takes me so long to detangle with this product that I feel like I'm just wasting it. So I wouldn't really recommend this. And again, I do want to love it. It says that it reverses damage, strengthens and protects hair, restores softness, almond milk, aloe butter, and shea oil. It's for extremely damaged, over processed hair, which, I mean, if you can see, my hair it's bleached. So I just thought, because it says daily damage repair, I thought, oh, bingo, it will help me. Not so much. So this product I would not recommend for my personal hair, for my hair type, which I have about, I would say 3A to 3B hair. Another Carol's Daughter product is the hair milk. It's a refreshing spray, if you can see that, right? Refreshing spray. I want to love this product too. I want to love the Carol's Daughter products, but I just can't. This one smells like alcohol. Like, it smells like rubbing alcohol, which I don't understand, because hair products should not have rubbing alcohol in it. Nourishing conditioning, fresh spray for curls, coils, kinks, and waves. First things first, this comes out like it just straight shoots out, which for spray, that's like pretty stupid. In my personal opinion. And I think it actually does. Like, I feel like, because it makes my hair so dry, and like, almost like it has hairspray in it, but it just feels like it just makes my hair super dry, which I don't understand, because it's a nourishing and conditioning. So, it's deeply moisturizing, improves softness, prevents frizz. I just don't understand why this product in particular makes my hair feel so dry. So dry. Even on second day hair, it feels so dry. And again, the smell, I personally would not recommend this. Like, I have it, and as you can see, I barely used it, if you can see that. So, again, this product, Carol's Daughter, I don't think I would recommend it. So, that's my take, that's my personal experience with these two products, is just don't do it. So,